Okay, to install Pi apps in a Raspberry Pi 5, copy this command from the video description and paste it into a terminal. When it's done installing, to run Pi apps, you can just double-click the icon on the desktop, then click Execute. And then here you can just select a program that you want to use. I'm going to install Simple Screen Recorder. So click on that, then click Install. When your program's done, you can close all the windows. And to uninstall Pi apps, open a terminal and then type ~pi-apps/uninstall. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.